Let me show you how to create a water drop effect in Canva. First, open Canva and create a new design. I am using an Instagram post size. Go to Elements and find a background photo you like. Click to add it to your page. Then right-click and set as background. Now search for water drop in Elements. Under Graphics, pick one you like. Make a copy of the water drop. Select the original, go to Edit, click Adjust, and set saturation to -100. Position the copy over the original and crop it for variety. Next, search for fish and elements and add one to your page. Adjust the size and position it on the water drop. Go to Apps and search for Image Blender. Open it and choose Radial. Adjust the circle radius and strength as needed. Then click Save. Finally, search for tap in Elements and add a water tap to your page. Adjust its position and size. That's how you create a water drop effect in Canva. Thanks for watching.